Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the option for our applications to use mobile data only, even if you have Wi-Fi internet available. Where to look for this option? We need to go to Settings, of course, then Connections, and here we have Data Usage. In here it is, Mobile Data Only Apps. What does it do? Set apps to always use mobile data even when your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. So when we go here, we can see that some apps are using this function. We can change it right here to turn off, or we can simply use select all apps, and as you can see, no other application is now using this option. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.